Alright, welcome back agad sa ating YouTube channel mga kaibigan. So sa video ito ay tuturo ko dito ang step-by-step process kung paano magkuha ng NBI clearance. At ituturo ko rin dito kung paano mag-register at paano mag-set up ng appointment. At ituturo ko rin dito kung paano ito bayaran through online. Kaya samahan nyo ako, panoorin natin itong video. Tara, let's go! First thing to do is i-open natin yung ating web browser. So sa akin is Google Chrome. So pagkatapos ma-open natin yung ating Google Chrome, ay search natin ang NBI online appointment. At pagkatapos, go lang. So dito ay pipiliin natin ang online NBI clearance application and renewal. Just click renew your NBI clearance. And click agree and close. So una nating ginawa at gagawin ay mag-register muna tayo sa ating NBI. Kung hindi ka pa nakakuha since 2014 ng NBI clearance, just select no and then select mail, tapos married, tapos birthday, month of your birthday, the day of your birthday. After, input your real name or complete name, your middle name, after your family name, your contact number, your email address. Kailangan yung active nating email address kasi doon i-send yung verification code. Create your own password. So make sure yung password natin ay yung password na hindi natin makakalimutan or yung password natin sa ating email. So i-retype lang natin ang ating password. You tap the check or read and accept. After that, press sign up and click submit. But before submitting, so merong ibibigay na OTP. Yung OTP na password, yan yung ating ilalagay dito. Click submit and close. Punta tayo sa ating email, sa ating inalagay na email ad, which is doon i-send ng NBI yung ating verification or activation link. As you can see, i-press natin yung activate account. Your account is activated. So click agree, click close and click sign in. Click NBI clearance online renewal. So as you can see, may data na siya at input. So ito yung ating sinign up kanina. So just add on, lagyan lang natin ng nickname at saka other nickname also, the birthplace, then after citizenship, Filipino, and the contact details. First input your home address. So, kailangan yung home address kung saan tayo nakatira. Input the name of your wife kung kayo ay married. Kung hindi, pwede natin i-skip. Pagkatapos ma-input natin yung buong pangalan nating asawa, yung kanyang birthplace kung saan siya ipinanganak. By the way, ito ay under sa family background. So dito sa father name, of course, yung pangalan nating ama. Ilagay natin dito ang kanyang pangalan, middle name, at also the family name. At nandito ningi rin ang kanyang birthplace kung saan ipinanganak yung ating ama. Input the name of your mother, the middle name, and also the family name of your mother nung dalaga pa siya. The birthplace of your mother. After that, other information, educational attainment, mali yung sa akin, so I choose college graduate. Occupation is teaching, and then the religion is Roman Catholic. Input your height in cm and also your weight in kilo, and the completion, I choose brown. Identifying marks, your input identifying marks, yung ating birthmark, kung baga, kung meron tayo. After that, just press save. Ito na ang lalabas. Okay, so pwede natin i-check kung meron bang mali at kulang. Pag okay na sa iyong palagay, ay pwede na nating i-press yung save. Successfully save. Alright, so save na yung ating data. Pagkatapos, scroll down natin, check again. Pag wala na problema, click apply for clearance. Then select ID type, kung anong ID ang ating i-input. So sa akin is PRC, and ID number. Pagkatapos, click agree lang. After mabasa, click close. Then ito ang ating schedule. Select first the NBI branch. So sa atin dito is Dipolog branch. Pagkatapos, pili lang tayo dito ng pizza kung anong gusto nating pizzang piliin. So sa akin is I choose 8. Ito yung mga pizzang pwede nating piliin. Tapos ito yung ating babayarin lahat. So sa akin is April 8, 2025 yung ating pinili. Pag magbayad na tayo, press lang natin yung cash payment and then proceed. So ito na yung bali ating babayaran, 130, then press proceed, and this is the reference number. So 130, the NBI clearance fee and the system fee 30, so the total of 160, and then accept. So pagkatapos, save natin yung ating reference number at punta tayo sa ating GCash para magbayad. So ganun lang kadali mag input ng NBI online. Ito yung ating balance. So select bills. After, select payment solution. I-search natin dito sa all billers ang NBI. Then press NBI. So ito, ilagay natin yung amount, the reference number, kung saan yung ibinigay kanina. Kailangan nakasave iyon. And make it sure sakto at hindi kulang at hindi mali. Pagkatapos ma-input na yung ating reference number, of course, your active mobile number, your email address. No, yung email address which is dito i-send yung ating receipt sa pagbayad. After that, uncheck natin para walang additional charges, and then next. Pili tayo dito, may dalawang pagpipilian, GCredit at GCash. Sa atin is GCash, wala tayong laman sa GCredit. Check again the reference number. Pag okay na, click confirm. There we go. So ito na ang resibo na ating binayad. So ganun lang kadali mga kaibigan magbayad through online. Sana may natutunan kayo sa ating tutorial ngayon at sana suportahan niyo itong ating channel at maraming salamat. Peace out.